Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I have got for you a Superdrug haul. It's just a little one. Okay, so like I say, I've got some things from Superdrug. It's just a little haul this month. I only picked up a couple of things. I was away on holiday and things, so I didn't really have the chance to do a massive haul. Also, while I'm on it, I will just say I'm sorry that videos have been a little bit inconsistent and things on my channel recently. Having a holiday has kind of messed around with kind of my schedule, I guess, and I've been all over the place. And then last week I had a really bad bite on like kind of the bottom of my lip, and my lip swelled up to double the size, and I just wasn't up for filming a video. So yes, things have been a little bit hit and miss recently, but hopefully we can get back on track now. So yes, today's video is just a very small Superdrug haul. There's only like 4 things in it, so I won't keep you for very long, but I'll let you know what I picked up in April. I know we're pretty much nearly May now, but this was my April haul. Okay, so one of the main reasons for doing this haul was actually because while I was on holiday I was reading a skincare book, and I was reading and finding out lots of things like how it's important to wear SPF all the time. So I wanted to pick up a moisturiser with some SPF in it and things. So I picked up a few items, not a lot this month, but I will show you what they are. So yes, I do apologise, it is only a small haul. But the first 2 items that I picked up are from the vitamin E range that Superdrug does. And I picked up an eye cream. It's just vitamin E nourishing eye cream, which is rich in natural vitamin E. It's high in antioxidants and defends the skin against environmental damage. I've used this eye cream before and I really like it. I've run out of that one, but I've repurchased to give it another try. Now this one was £3.49. However, there was an offer if you bought something from the vitamin E range, you got another item for half price. So this worked out at half price, or the other one worked out at half price. I think they were the same price. So the next item then that I picked up was another one from the vitamin E range, and it is this. It is their vitamin E moisturising day cream with an SPF of 15 in there. Like I say, I've read about how it's important to wear SPF all the time. It's something that I didn't really realise, even in the winter months, that the sun can come through the clouds and it can, you know, harm your face with UVA and UVB rays. So I think that this is going to be part of my new daily routine, is to make sure that I'm wearing SPF all the time, especially because I'm outside quite often with dog walking, and with work I can often be outside. So I'm going to definitely try and keep this up. So this one was again £3.49, but again it was obviously on the offer where you got buy one get one half price on the vitamin E range. The vitamin E range is absolutely fantastic. I've used it before and I look forward to trying this. I'll definitely be including this every morning. If not, there is something else that I will be using, so I'll show you those. So to a similar vein then, I picked up this Bee Protected Anti-Pollution Shielding Primer with an SPF of 30. And this one got absolutely fantastic reviews. There was a couple of ones that didn't really like it, but the reviews are mostly amazing for this, saying that it's a fantastic primer. If you're wearing this, you don't need a moisturiser because it's really moisturising, and it's got the SPF of 30 in there, which is brilliant for like summer months. I did actually use this and I've only used it once. I haven't used it today, it was a few days ago, and I really liked it as a primer actually. So I'm looking forward to giving this a try. I think this is going to be handy for the summer with it having an SPF of 30 in there. It's absolutely fantastic. So I'll open that up, and as you can see, it is just a little tube. And this, guys, is actually usually £12.99. However, Superdrug had like an offer on the vitamin B, on the B range, and it was down to, what was it, £6.35. So that's less than half price. So I'm absolutely over the moon with that price. And like I say, usually it would cost £12.99. And I think actually this whole haul cost me around £13. So basically I've got everything else on the haul for free. I had got this at full price. So yes, really nice. On the back then, I'll let you know a little what it says. It protects the skin from environmental aggressors on a daily basis. It leaves skin looking smoother and more radiant over time. It's perfect to use as a primer before makeup. It's got a broad spectrum SPF of 30 to help protect the skin from the sun's rays, and a film former to enhance the skin's resistance. It's got a feather-light silky texture, so it can be worn alone or as a base for flawless makeup application. Its nourishing formula gives softer, smoother, glowing skin, so that's absolutely fantastic. It's suitable for vegetarians and vegans and it's cruelty free. Always a wonderful thing to have on products. So yes, another one that I'm really looking forward to trying. Lastly on this haul then, it's another item from the B range, and this was just something that I was running low on. I usually use one from the Garnier range, but this was on the Star Buys. I got the micellar water from B. Now this was on the Star Buys for an amazing price. It was £2.19 instead of £4.99, and as you can see, it's a big old bottle. We get 400ml in here, so it'll last me a good old while. Like I say, I do usually use the Garnier ones with the oil in there because I really like those, but I'm willing to give this one a try for such an amazing price. Like I say, I haven't used it yet because it's full, but definitely be giving it a go. Okay then, so that's everything that I actually picked up in this haul. Like I say, it was just a small one this month, but you know, chances are there'll be another one next month as I can't keep away from the Superdrug website. As ever, make sure you check out the Star Buys every Wednesday on Superdrug. Find that you get some amazing offers on there. I'll hit a link below for you guys. And until my next video, thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already because it'd be fantastic to have you here. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.